Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today I will be showing you how I design these business cards using a template from Canva and sublimating on them. So let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we are inside of Canva, and I am going to show you how I made these business cards. I posted these business cards and a lot of people like them, so I'm going to show you how I designed them inside of Canva and all of the details about them. Okay, so first what I did was I actually went to business cards. I got this as a template. Okay, so if you don't know, Canva has tons of templates, and I talk about this in all of my Canva courses, etc. So you want to just go ahead and see what catches your attention. Okay, so the business card that I like, I actually saved it, but I'm going to show you which template that I used. So this was actually the template that I used. It is a pro template, and you see it start because I saved it, and it would be over here under start, but I just wanted to scroll so you guys could see it. Okay, so once you select a template, it shows you what the name of the template is, who it's by, how you can customize it, etc. And then it shows you other templates that are similar. These are all super cute as well, but this was just the one that I chose. Okay, so I selected customize template. Once I got inside of here, I went ahead and deleted that part, and then I just wanted to play around with a few things. So the first thing that I did was delete some things that I did not want, and I went ahead and dragged in things of me. So I went to my professional photos inside of here, and then I grabbed the photo that I wanted to use. I dragged and dropped it. Anytime you see the blue with the sky and the green grass, that means that is a frame, and you can drag and drop something inside of there. Okay, so I dragged and dropped it. I just double clicked it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it just show my face. Okay, so you go ahead and you just drag it to what exactly you want it to be. And once you get happy with it, voila, there you go. Okay, and you could choose whatever type of photo you like. I just chose that photo. So that was the first thing I did. And then of course I put my name. So I selected my name, and then I went to change the colors so that it can be my name and then what I do. Okay, so on here I put ChonitaNicole, YouTuber, content creator. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select black for this, and then I put okay. And then what I did was I deleted all the things that I was not going to actually use. And then I changed the things that I were. Okay, so I wanted to keep my email so that people can get in contact with me. And then I wanted to place my website. Okay. I did not want to put my location, so I deleted that. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some of the other things that I added. I went to Elements and I got Sparkle background. Okay, I'm going to put pink. Okay, so I went and I searched pink sparkle background, and then I just went and I looked to see which one caught my attention. And this was the one that I chose. I'm actually going to star that one, so in case I want to come back and get that same one again. Okay, so I grabbed that background and then I set it to where I wanted it to go, and then I went to position to the back. Okay, so that's how I have that separated. I wanted my photos to be a little bit larger, so I made it larger, and then I brought it up, and then I brought my name up as well as my title. Okay, so once you get that where you like it, I wanted to duplicate this and put the name of my business here. And I wanted this to be a little bit larger than my email and everything, okay? Because that's my brand name. So I made that a little bit larger. I went and I made my email and my website a little bit larger as well. And then I went ahead and aligned it again. These magenta lines, they let you know what's the center. Okay? So I wanted everything to be centered. Now, I knew that I was going to be adding all of my social media logos. So what I did was I went to Elements, and then I went to social media, and the icons came up. Okay? So I went to graphics, and then they give you all the ones that you like. And so what I did was I just searched specifically the ones that I wanted, and I made sure that they all looked a little bit similar. Okay, so once you click that, it's going to give you some magic recommendations. So it may give you some more that's a little bit similar, and no, if you don't like that, then you can start inputting the specific ones that you want. Okay, so Instagram, you just click whichever ones that you like and then resize them. These are not the exact same ones that I use, but I'm just trying to show you guys, okay? So we can go to, you could do icon or you could do logo, whichever one you want. And then you could just search and figure out the one that you want, okay? Okay, so once I got all the logos that I wanted, for my business card, I wanted Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, and Etsy. All of my businesses all are under Do Dream On. So that's why I selected it there, and then I put Do Dream On right up under there because that's how they could find me, okay? Now, you can play around with it however you like, but that's the way that I wanted it to come up, okay? So what I did was I wanted a QR code on my business card, and I actually just wanted it on the front. I could have put it on the back, but for my particular business card, for this event, and for right now, I wanted everything on the front. They could see everything and do whatever they needed, okay? So I went to my YouTube page, and I went ahead and selected my URL. So I just selected this, copied it, and then under apps, I went ahead and typed in QR. Once I typed in QR code generator populated. Now there are several ones that you can use. I'm just going to select the QR code. I'm going to go ahead and paste on my Mac. I Command V, so I pasted the URL to my YouTube channel. Okay. So this is giving the preview. I could have left it black if I wanted it, but I wanted to customize it. So I went and I wanted the background color. We could keep it white. I want the foreground color to be pink, but I want it to be the correct shade of pink for my business. So I'm going to go ahead and select this right here. So every single color has a hex code, HEX, okay? So when you hover over here, you see this hex code is pound FF66C4, okay? So that is the hex code for this particular color. And what I could do is I'm going to go ahead and Command C. I'm copying that because that's the color that I want. And then I'm going to go back to apps. QR code, foreground color, and I'm going to paste that color there so that my QR code can be the shade of pink that I want it to be. Okay? You can make the margin larger, you can select the background color, you could play around with it, etc. But I want it to be like this. So I'm just going to generate the QR code. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And just in case anyone doesn't know what a QR code is, it actually stands for Quick Response. It's a two-dimensional matrix barcode that can be read and scanned with a compatible device such as a smartphone camera or an app. So you could literally just take your smartphone, hover over that code, and then it'll take you directly to my website once you click that link. So this is really cool for business cards and all types of things, and it's just something cool that people use now if you've never heard of it. So it's really convenient because now instead of having to go to YouTube and type in my website name and make sure that it's the correct spelling, etc., they literally can just hover over with their smartphone and bam, they're on my YouTube channel. You can use this for websites, Cash App codes, anything that has a URL. So it's really convenient and really dope. So I hope you learned something. Once that's generated, I'm just going to place it at the bottom of my business card. If you see that's not enough space, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to select all of these things minus the circle for the photo. And then I'm going to scoot it up some, okay? So that this can fit on my business card. And then you just arrange everything the way that you like it, okay? Make sure everything is centered. If you want, you can group everything, but you just play around with it to what looks good for you, okay? Make sure everything is centered and that everything looks good for you. I could even make this a little bit smaller if I wanted to. But you want to make sure it's centered with everything. So that is how I made my business card inside of Canva. It was very simple, very cute, very nice. I absolutely loved it, and I got so many compliments on it. What you do want to make sure is that everything is centered. If you want to group things, whatever you want to do to make sure that it looks really nice, neat, as well as professional. Okay, so now I went ahead and resized them after I measured my particular business cards. So it all depends on you. Mine were sublimation business cards, so I wanted to make sure that they fit properly onto my sublimation cards. Okay, so these aluminum cards, I'm gonna give you all the deets about that. So I downloaded it from Canva, uploaded them inside of Silhouette, and then I printed them out with my Epson Workforce 7720. They turned out so cute. I got the aluminum cards from Amazon, and the link will be down in the description. I did find one similar to the ones I previously had because mine look like they're actually gone. But I went ahead, used my Viva Auto Press. I made sure that I taped them down. I put the butcher tape on both the top and bottoms. And then I went ahead and pressed it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, so I did go ahead and do that. And then you guys, they turned out wonderful. I absolutely love the way that they turned out. Look at them, super cute. They are metal, so they are hot, so be careful. Make sure you wear your heat gloves. But look how cute they turned out. And honestly, they turned out better than I thought. My melanin is popping. The colors look really good. And mine are white, but they have a little bit of a sparkle to them. So they turned out great. I got so many compliments at my business trip about them. When every time someone would touch them, they're like, whoa, these are some of the coolest cards ever. So they will leave a statement. So yeah, y'all, that's how I designed them. That's how I sublimated on them. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.